cure acne. 1. Use fresh ginger. The process need not be complicated. Start by washing a piece of the ginger rhizome, peeling it, then cutting off a slice. Place this small piece directly on acne. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes or more. Alternatively, you can also crush some ginger slices and spread the juice over acne-ridden areas. Leave for 10 minutes or until dry, then wash off with lukewarm water. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve swelling and pimples while cleansing the skin. Note that people with sensitive skin may experience a bit of redness or a slight stinging sensation. If you have sensitive skin, it's best to first try applying fresh ginger on a small skin area, such as on the inner side of the elbow, and check for any reactions. 2. Drink ginger tea. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties not only work well from the outside, but also from within. If you're one for tea, fresh ginger tea is quite easy to make. Simply wash, peel, and chop a portion off. Place in a pot of hot water and infuse for about 8 minutes. You can add sugar or honey to sweeten, or even a bit of lemon juice to suit your taste. The spicy, tangy flavor also soothes the throat. You can also opt to brew your ginger tea in a percolator to get those slices out of the way. Taking ginger internally also cleanses the blood and aids in digestion, so this gives you additional benefits aside from clearing up your acne. Drink about 2 cups of ginger tea daily for best results. 3. Create a ginger mask. A face mask is a good way to leave ginger extract, along with other skin purifying ingredients, on your skin for a longer time. There are a variety of ways to make a ginger mask. One of them is to simply clean, crush, and chop up a piece finely. Mix with a beaten egg white, apply on the skin, and leave to dry for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Another formula is to first juice the ginger in a blender. Add some water and use the pulse option to make the juice. Then strain off the ginger particles. Mix the juice with raw honey. Apply the mixture onto your face, especially in acne-prone areas, and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, wash off with lukewarm water. In addition to ginger's benefits, the honey works as a great moisturizer and purifier. 4. Add ginger to your food. You can cook using fresh or dried ginger in a variety of dishes for a bit of zing and flavor. For instance, throw in ginger slices to a vegetable stir-fry, salad dressing, or fish recipe. If you're a fan of smoothies, why not add a slice or 2 to your next blend? Ginger has a very versatile flavor that merges well with a lot of foods. The key is to regularly use it in your cooking to harness its benefits to your skin and other body systems. Whatever way you use it, ginger offers a potent solution to acne. Now that you know how to use ginger to cure acne, choose the most convenient options for you. Keep in mind that though any of these methods can potentially work alone, it's best to try both an internal and external method to maximize ginger's anti-inflammatory effects and cure acne in the least amount of time.